Good evening, sir. Please you say about South Asia Association of Regional Regional Cooperation, which was founded in 1985 in Dhaka Conference, and contribution of Ziaur Rahman and that time Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi. Please say about SAARC.
India, Jumbo Deep leader, SAARC leader, South Asia leader. However, leader is known by the team he chose. Chandrasekhar sir had got very short time as a Prime Minister of India, but he had shown what India is, what India had to show in SAARC countries. He had, with his own dhoti kurta clad, he had impressed his imprint on SAARC even today. He had chosen Yashwant Sinha as his foreign minister, and still he had founded Indo-Sri Lankan Foundation that really coordinate all South Asian scholars, and headquarters of the South Asian culture is in Kathmandu, and SAARC is also in Sri Lanka, Colombo, and they are working so nicely that had created a good bond, a Buddhist culture bond in all South Asian countries. And I'm a beneficiary of the SAARC. Colombo. I have been twice to Colombo conference to the SAARC at Indo Foundation Sri Lanka at India, and that is the vision of Chandrasekhar sir as Prime Minister of India, who has really built India in a very short period of time. He had very short time as Prime Minister.
11 months.
His vision.
11 months.
In 11 months, he had made India to ancient India leader of South Asia, Jumbo Deep. That I want to say, that leader always choose a good time. In the same way, I tell you, when Professor Nayyar, he was Deepak Nayyar, was Vice Chancellor of the university, the IAS officer, he had chosen his team, C.R. Babu, a Guardian professor, as his Pro-Vice Chancellor. And whatever you are seeing all around Delhi universities, all the buildings is built by the Deepak Nayyar sir as Vice Chancellor of the university, and C.R. Babu as Pro-Vice Chancellor of the university. This is the picture of the university's grand look, good look.
Come on, sir, not Delhi University.
SAARC, that I am telling you, SAARC, the SAARC vision. And so I have been working on SAARC, Indo-Sri Lankan relations, working on that, and I have many friends who had been also as a research scholar, he is a professor there. Now, like some were staying in Jubilee Hall, I was in Gwar Hall, and that research work. And whenever I go to now, my friend, the research friends, Venerable Dhammanand is professor in Kelangana University, and Venerable Suman Mans is Vice Chancellor of Buddhist University, Hotgaon in Colombo, and many, Panyanand, he is also in Colombo University, many universities, and there, whenever I go as a SAARC beneficiary to attend the conference in Colombo is far from that passage, but the love bond between these two friends of everyone, they come and see me. There is a love between Buddhist love between India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan and Pakistan. Is the Buddhist bond, Buddhist culture bond. That I want to say that Buddhist Asia and South Asia
good
should be seen by the great Indians, and so we should salute Chandrasekhar sir as a Prime Minister of India who had built this cultural bond between these countries.
But okay. Please say about SAARC University, which is situated in New Delhi.
SAARC University, very failed, not failed. Delhi University, and you will show, he was also a visionary man. The Dean of SAARC University was Yogesh Tyagi, who had come here at Delhi University as Vice Chancellor. He had a vision, but he couldn't make his own team. That may be due to bad health or some health. That may be the reason. But he had not built his own good team, as Deepak Nayyar had built a team of Vice Chancellor, where C.R. Babu, a still the dynamic man, whatever you are seeing all around Delhi, a man of vision, all biodiversity park, is the leader of the C.R. Babu. So you have to choose a leader of leader of courage, leader of vision to run an institution.
But at present time, SAARC is failed. Somebody said that due to Pakistan not participate in SAARC, so why SAARC is failed?
No,
Please,
SAARC is failing because of the fund. There is no money. There is a financial crunch in Sri Lanka. All South. So that is any is failing because there is lack of fund, lack of money. So many students are coming here. All they come, but they don't have fund. They don't have financial fellowship to continue their research, to continue their work. That is the reason.
But
first, giving good fund to the educational institution. That will build the institution. That will build the education, and students come up. That is the main reason.
okay, thank you, sir.